Hey folks, how you doing today? Welcome back to another episode of Bob's Bottom Shelf. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy green cocktail, the Midori Sour. As previously mentioned in the Midori Colada episode, link in the corner, Midori is a Japanese melon liqueur. Midori debuted in 1978 and it was very popular in the 80s and 90s when sweet cocktails in general were very popular. It fell out of favor during the craft cocktail movement, but recently it's been popular again because of its green color and because of its unique flavor. And as I mentioned last time, you don't have to use Midori. You could use Mr. Boston Melon Liqueur or the DeKuyper Melon Liqueur. But honestly, Midori's not really that expensive. The half-size bottle is only like $12, and you really only need a half-size bottle because you don't use it that much unless you really like it or something. And if you don't get Midori, you're missing out on the brandy that they put in this and its unique flavor that is hard to replicate. So with this cocktail, you don't need a shaker, just go ahead and build it right in the glass. We'll start with half an ounce of lime juice, lemon juice. This is fresh squeezed. And half an ounce of lime juice. Just put them both in here, why not? 1 ounce of Midori. If you want it more green or more Midori flavor, you could add a little more than 1 ounce, like I'm going to do. 1 ounce of vodka. This is Smirnoff. And we'll top it off with club soda. So this particular recipe of the Midori Sour, it focuses more on the Midori flavor and it leaves out the sweet and sour mix that a lot of other recipes will use. Alright folks, the Midori Sour. Cheers! My first impression of this is it's like a Midori flavored Tom Collins. Very light, very refreshing, very suitable for a summer day. It's definitely not over sweet, and the fresh squeezed lemon and lime is preferable to bottled lemon and lime juice, even though I'll sometimes use that also. And I would recommend bumping up the Midori to about 1 1/4 or 1.5 ounces, just so you get that full Midori flavor that you're looking for in a drink called the Midori Sour. Alright folks, that's about it for today's episode of Bob's Bottom Shelf. Let me know in the comments which green cocktails you have tried, and subscribe for more episodes of Bob's Bottom Shelf, where you save money making cocktails at home using top of the bottom shelf ingredients. See you in the next episode.